This magnolia tree was legitimately just getting ready to bloom. And now they're all bloomed. It has white and yellow flowers. Do every single one have white? Do every. Some crazy storm clouds coming through, you could say. There's a bird way high up there. And this time of year we get all sorts of, like, wow, he hasn't flapped, like, not once. Flap, flap, a few flaps, but it's like the wind is blowing right now. There's a lot of clouds. And she says, a lot of clouds, and my zoom goes back, forth and forth. Whoa. Well, that is a heck of a cloud, huh? No wonder we lost him. Good gosh. Compared to that, blue-eyed lady, passionate lady. Fade into black, I guess. Shit. Yeah, it would be nice if they'd maybe cut the trees because, like, you know, they mow the grass. They own the land, I do not. Fuck. That bums me out that I missed those. Yeah, I missed you. Let's see over here. You say, I always hear what I want to. And you say, I talk so all the time. So. Two clouds is kind of Janice or double-faced rather. And you say, stay. You say. Quite a few levels right there. Let me get this too. Let me get this too. I hear birds. Oops, I think it was coming to like 1, 2, 1, 2. That one's about to bloom. That's about, oops. See, that's what it is actually. Anyway, my dominant hand. Yeah, that's about to bloom, but dang near every other one has. No, I guess there's a few. I was kind of exaggerating. Wow, they are pretty though. They'll fall to the ground actually. So, is there really yellow ones? There's one around the corner and I'm pretty darn sure there is. Yeah, we're looking right at them. Interesting. The yellows are like doubles. That's interesting. surprised I never noticed that. That's pretty. I just remember the white ones for sure. But yeah, it seems like I was just saying, look at the magnolia tree. Or that's a magnolia tree. And then boom. Wonder the significance of that. I need to look it up. Oh, is that a cardinal? Like, I don't know how a bird would sit right there, but like, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. A bird would sit, I don't. But like, I don't know that I see any more red. Maybe I do. This one's got a lot of, flowers. Yellow at the bottom with other stuff coming out. What are those? The leaves must be kind of like a rubber tree. Wow. Very egg looking right there. Very up north tree. Look at those at the top. Check them tomorrow for sure. I do hear a whole ton of cardinals. It's a good dog hour. Dog hour. No, that's not what I meant. I meant bird. That's random.